Alan the garlic. Like Alan and garlic. Alan the garlic.
Is it recording? Wait, I'm gonna take a picture of you guys. Huh? Picture. Oh, picture? Okay.
Picture. Picture. Go. Picture.
It's a recording! Can I take a picture of you guys? Come on, get together. Right. Okay. Can you take a picture? Yeah. Are you guys ready?
Why is your water the only one with a lemon in it? Oh, so
Can you take a
special water.
I'm special, huh?
No. Man, I think you asked for extra garlic. I think because I asked for garlic. You asked for extra, we're not going to give you the lemon.
Want to see what's inside my bag? Yeah. Okay. I have my keys.
Whoa. This is not my Batman cup.
I have my eyebrow kit. Practically her whole cosmetic line. My phone. You know. Yeah, my cosmetic. How'd you notice? Okay, let's say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.